Well, you can leave it up to me to take smart irrigation to the next level. Here we are using Centralis in virtual reality. Check this out. Pretty neat. I've got my Facebook page up on the right over here, so if I wanted to check my messages, I could. Right now I'm using a browser in the middle here, which is how I'm accessing Centralis, and I'm making some schedule changes at the arena right now in virtual reality. If I wanted to, I could turn on the remote and start turning zones on, but I wouldn't be able to see what's going on out in the field because I'd be in virtual reality. But this does make for a great workstation if you're trying to manage this and maybe a CRM software and your email. You can have all of this right in front of you on this screen. If you want to talk about workflow, this is going to make it so much easier and a lot more fun.